Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect your Razer Kraken headset to an Xbox One. It's a straightforward process. First, locate the 3.5mm audio jack on your Razer Kraken headset. Then, simply plug this jack directly into the corresponding port found at the bottom of your Xbox One controller. Make sure the connection is firm and secure for optimal audio transmission. This physical connection is the first crucial step to getting your headset ready for gaming. Once connected, you'll want to fine-tune your audio settings for the best experience. Press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the guide menu. From there, scroll over to the audio and music section. Here, you can adjust several key settings, including your headset volume, the chat mixer to balance game and chat audio, and mic monitoring to hear your own voice. Experiment to find your perfect sound balance. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. There are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that your headset's 3.5mm jack is fully and securely plugged into the controller. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. Also, ensure your Xbox One controller's firmware is up to date, as this can resolve many audio problems. If all else fails, try testing the headset with another device to confirm it's working correctly. For older Xbox One controllers, or if you desire more granular control, consider using an Xbox One stereo headset adapter. This accessory plugs into the bottom of your controller, and your Razer Kraken headset then plugs into the adapter. The adapter provides convenient buttons for adjusting game volume, chat volume, and muting your microphone with ease. It offers a robust solution for managing your audio on the fly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.